Hi everyone, and this is Octavia. Learn English easily with Octavia is a unique channel that sets itself apart from others by offering a refreshing and innovative approach to English language learning. With Octavia as your guide, you'll discover a dynamic and engaging learning experience that makes mastering English enjoyable and accessible to learners of all levels. What makes this channel truly special is Octavia's expertise in simplifying complex language concepts and breaking them down into easy-to-understand lessons. Her teaching style is interactive, incorporating a variety of multimedia resources such as videos, quizzes, and practical exercises to reinforce your understanding and retention of the material. Unlike traditional language learning channels, Learn English Easily with Octavia focuses on providing practical, real-life examples and scenarios that enable you to apply your newfound knowledge in everyday situations. Octavia's emphasis on conversational skills ensures that you not only develop a strong foundation in grammar and vocabulary, but also gain the confidence to communicate effectively in English. Furthermore, Octavia understands the importance of individualized learning, and her channel offers a diverse range of content tailored to different learning preferences and goals. Whether you prefer visual learning, audio exercises, or interactive discussions, Learn English Easily with Octavia has it all. Octavia also encourages learner participation through live sessions, Q&A sessions, and community engagement, creating a supportive environment for learners to connect and grow together. In summary, Learn English Easily with Octavia stands out from other channels by providing a dynamic, interactive, and learner-centered approach to English language learning. With Octavia as your trusted guide, you'll embark on an exciting journey towards fluency, gaining the skills and confidence to communicate effectively in English in no time. Mastering English made easy, practical lessons for everyday fluency. About us. Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to helping you master the English language. Whether you're a beginner or seeking to refine your skills, we offer comprehensive tutorials that cover grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and more. Why watch our videos? Engaging and interactive lessons. Our lessons are designed to be interactive and keep you engaged throughout the learning process. Practical examples and exercises. We provide practical examples and exercises to help you apply what you've learned in real-life situations. Tips for everyday conversations and professional use. We offer valuable tips that will enhance your everyday conversations and professional communication skills. Regular updates with fresh content. We consistently update our channel with fresh content, ensuring that you have access to the latest and most relevant English language lessons. Why subscribe? Be the first to access our latest videos. By subscribing to our channel, you will be the first to access our newest videos as soon as they are released. Join a community of enthusiastic learners. Join our community of enthusiastic learners who are passionate about mastering the English language. Interact with fellow learners, share experiences, and support one another on this language learning journey. Enhance your learning with our structured approach. Our structured approach to teaching English will help you build a strong foundation and systematically improve your language skills. How to stay updated? Subscribe and turn on notifications. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive alerts whenever we upload new videos. Like our videos to support us. Show your support by liking our videos. Your likes motivate us to continue creating valuable content for you. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. We value your feedback and suggestions. Leave your comments on our videos and let us know how we can further assist you in your language learning journey. Your journey to fluency starts here. Begin your journey to English fluency by subscribing to our channel today. Transform your English skills and gain confidence in your abilities. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions inspire us to create more valuable content for you. Stay connected. Follow us on social media links for additional tips, updates, and resources. Thank you for being a part of our learning community. Let's make the process of learning English enjoyable and effective together.